Hi friends, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர் என்னன்னா forces and motion. When there is a change of position of an object with respect to time, then it is called motion. If it remains stationary, it is called rest. Infobits. Aryabhata, an ancient Indian astronomer, said that like the banks of the river appear to move back to a person in a boat floating gently in a river, the night sky studded with stars appear to move from east to west while earth rotates from west to east. How things move. When we kick a ball, it moves. நம்ம காலால் பந்தை எடுக்கிறப்போ when we push the book on the table, it moves. புக்கை டேபிளில் புஷ் பண்ணுறப்போ when a bull pull the cart moves. Motion occurs when the object is pulled or pushed by an agency. In daily life, we pulled out water from the well with bucket or the animals pulls the bull cart. It is a person or animal that is an animate agency that does the pushing or pulling. Animate agencyனா நம்ம அன்றாட வாழ்க்கையில் தினமும் பண்ணுற தண்ணியை கிணத்துலேருந்து எடுக்கிறது, மாடு ஓட்டுறது, இதெல்லாம் புஷ்ஷிங் ஆர் புல்லிங்கில் கூட. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் animate agency. Sometimes we see a tall grass in the meadow dancing in the wind. A piece of wood is moving down a stream. What pushes or pulls them? We know that blowing wind and flowing water is the cause. Sometimes the push or pull can be due to the inanimate agency. Forces are push or pull by an animate or inanimate agency. Contact, non-contact forces. Contact forces என்ன? The forces is executed by touching the body. Body touch பண்ணி பண்ணுறதுலாம் contact forces. So these type of forces called contact forces. ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென்னை மரத்துலேருந்து கோகோனட் விழுற மாதிரி mysteriously ripened coconut falls to the ground. What pulls it to the ground? We would have heard of the force of gravity of earth. Gravity pulls the ripened coconut from the tree to the ground. Bring a magnet near the small iron nail. ஆணி பக்கத்தில் மேக்னெட்டை வச்சா என்ன ஆகும்? Suddenly the nail jumps into the air and sticks with the magnet. Observe that the magnet and the nail did not touch each other. Still there was a pulling force that made the nail to jump towards the magnet. In these two examples, the force is applied without touching the object. Such forces are known as non-contact forces. Forces can be classified into two major types, contact and non-contact forces. Wind is making a flag flutter. A cart pulled by a bullocks are contact forces. Magnetism, gravity are some examples of non-contact forces. Forces two are divided into agencies, types on the basis of contact. Agencies animate factors, inanimate factors. Types on the basis of contact contact forces, non-contact forces. Forces can change the states of the body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Either change the speed or direction on both of the body. Change the shape of the body. டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் மோஷன் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. சாந்தி ஒரு பென்சில் எடுத்து அதை ஷார்ப் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்புறம் அவள் சர்க்கிளை காம்பஸையும் பென்சிலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி வரைகிறா. தென் ஷி டுக் ஹர் ரூலர் அண்ட் ட்ரா எ ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன் another page. Then she kept the pencil between her and moved it forth and back. Now look at the motion of the pencil in all these four cases. How was it? ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேஸில் அவள் என்ன பண்ணுறா, பென்சிலை ஸ்லீவராக அது ரொட்டேட்டட் இன் இட்ஸ் ஆக்சிஸ். இந்த செகண்ட் கேஸ் இட் வெண்ட் இன் எ சர்க்கிள் போடுறான். இந்த தேர்ட் கேஸ் த பென்சில் ட்ராவல்ட் இன் எ ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைன். தேர்ட் கேஸில் அவள் லைன் ட்ரா பண்ணுறான். ஃபோர்த் கேஸ் த பென்சில் டேப் மூவ்ட் பேக் அண்ட் ஃபோர்த். நடுவில் விரலுக்கு நடுவில் வச்சு அந்த பென்சிலை அவள் ஆட்டுறது. தட் இஸ் இட் ஆசிலேட்டட் லைக் ஏ ஸ்விங் மாதிரி அந்த நடுவில் விரலில் அந்த பென்சிலை வச்சுட்டு அவள் இது பண்ணுறான். That is its motion was rotational and then circular, straight line or linear and then oscillatory. Throw paper aeroplanes or paper dot. Watch its flight path when you throw it in an angle. The path curves. Example, the paper flight is moving head but direction is changing while moving such paths are curved linear. நம்ம ஒரு பேப்பரில் ஒரு ஃப்ளைட் பண்ணி மேலே பறக்க விட்டோம்னா அது வந்து ஆடி ஆடி போகும். அதோட பேர் வந்து curvilinear. Periodic and non-periodic motions. A fly buzzing around the room is a combination of all these and flight path is zigzag. ஒரு பட்டர்ஃப்ளை பறக்கிறப்போ zigzagல போகும். Take the case of the hour hand of the clock. In one day it makes 2 rounds. 24 வந்து 12 டிவைட் பண்ணி 12 hours ஆகும். Look at a bouncing ball. It bounces a certain number of times for a given period. Time travel or period. Look at the water waves in a given period, that is a time travel. A fixed number of waves hit the shore. Motion repeated in equal intervals of time is called as periodic motion. Let us take the examples of sagging, swing and bend. This motion is not in uniform travel. Such motions are called non-periodic motion. Motion வந்து எப்படி கிளாஸிஃபை பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? Linear, moving in a straight line, straight like a person walking on a straight path. Curvilinear, moving ahead but changing direction like a throwing ball. நம்ம ஒரு பால் த்ரோ பண்ணால் எப்படி சாஞ்சு போகாது? Curvilinear. Circular, moving in a circle, swirling stone tied to the rope. Rotatory, the movement of your body about its own axis like a rotating top. Oscillatory, coming back to the same position after a fixed time like a pendulum. Zigzag, like the motion of a bee or a people walking in a crowded street. Oscillation at greater speed அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. Ask your friend to hold the two ends of a stretched rubber band. Strike it in the middle. Do you see it oscillates very very fast? When the oscillation is very swift, it is called vibration. Fast oscillations are referred to as vibrations. Formula: the distance travelled by an object in unit time is called average speed of the object. If an object travelled a distance in time, then it is average speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. In other words, you divide the distance travelled by the time taken to get the speed. Example கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Suppose a car travels 300 km in 1 hour. Then we say the speed of the car is 300 km per hour. If an object travels 10 meter in 2 seconds, then average speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. எவ்வளோ distance travel பண்ணியிருக்காங்க? 10 meter. எவ்வளோ time taken? 2 seconds. So distance travelled by time taken equal to 5 meter divided by seconds. Bus takes 3 hours to cover this distance of 180 km. Then its average speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. Distance travelled equal to 180 km. Time taken 3 hours. So 180 km divided by 3 hours equal to 60 km by hour. Please note that meter by seconds or kilometer hour comes next to our answer for average speed. What is it? Observe the formula for average speed. If we denote the distance in meter and time by seconds, then the unit of average speed is meter per second. We denote the distance in kilometer and time in hour, then the unit of average speed is kilometer per hour. Sometimes we use units like centimeter per second. In science, we generally use SI units. போன சாப்டரில் பார்த்தோம்னா அது SI units. In SI units, the unit of distance is meter and the unit of second is time. The unit of time is seconds, so the SI unit of average speed is meter per second. Or facts: Usain Bolt crossed 100 meters in 9.58 seconds and made a world record. If you know the speed and the time taken by the object travelled, then we can compute how much distance it had travelled. Speed equal to distance travelled by time taken. S equal to d by t or st equal to d. Therefore, the distance travelled is speed into time. For example, if a ship travelled at a speed of 50 km per hour and it sailed for 5 hours, how much distance it had travelled? Speed equal to 50 km per hour. Time taken equal to 5 hours. Therefore, speed into time taken per hour is equal to 50 km per hour into 5 hours equal to 250 km. If we compute the speed and distance traveled, we can compute the time again. Speed equal to d by t, then that is t equal to d by s, time taken equal to distance traveled by speed. Suppose a bus travel at a speed of 50 km per hour and has to cover a distance of 300 km. How much time will it take? Time equal to distance traveled by speed, that is 300 km by 50 km per hour equal to 6 hours. Fact 5. The cheetah is the fastest land animal running with an average speed of 112 km per hour. About uniform and non-uniform motion. If an object covers uniform distance in uniform intervals, then the motion of the object is called uniform motion. Otherwise, the motion is called non-uniform motion. Motion divided on the basis of based on path, based on duration, based on speed. Based on path, linear motion, curved linear motion, circular motion, rotatory motion, oscillatory motion, zigzag motion. Based on duration, periodic motion, non-periodic motion. Based on speed, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Multiple motion. Look at the bicycle. What type of motion does the wheel perform? What type of motion does the cycle in total platform? The tire rotates and makes a rotatory motion, but the cycle as such moves forward in a linear path. Thank you. Please share and subscribe and comment. நான் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இதோட ஃபுல் நோட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். Thank you.